Said the rockstar move with them rockstar dudes, now we rollin'. I said that school and jumped in the cool, but it's stolen. We go left, we go right, where the zone's on right. Zone's on right, zone's on right. Said the rockstar move with them rockstar dudes, now we rollin'. I could lie, we all know you less. Still alive and it's time to blast. Only bad since you left. Don't feel bad, baby, I'm up next.
Hi, I'm Steve from TLC Trucking Equipment in Pompano Beach, Florida, and we're here today with the new Jerr-Dan MPL-40 Wrecker. I was fortunate enough today to have two of these bad boys that I could show you. One, a Ram 4500 SLT, the other, a Ram 5500 Laramie. Oh boy. I thought this would be a great opportunity to show you guys these trucks because on the one hand, we've got this 4500, which is a more economical truck. On the other hand, we have this 5500 Laramie, which is decked out, luxurious. It's got all the bells and whistles, everything you could want. Now, this is really going to be a decision for the owner-operator. Do I want just a basic truck that I can put one of my guys in and send them out on the road and make money? Or do I want to ride in style and comfort? I know what I would choose. One of the most notable features of this body is the addition of the electronic valve control system. When these bodies started rolling out of the factory, this is one of the first things that really caught our eye. While the old body was controlled with a system of rods and levers and mechanical moving parts, the new valve body is all electronic for ease of use and functionality. What I've noticed is that many of the changes made to these bodies are changes actually designed to improve serviceability, like moving the valve body to a centralized location where it's easy to access. Everything that made these bodies good before is still there, with just a few improvements for functionality, ease of use, reliability, serviceability. Well, if you're curious, you've got questions, you want any more information about any one of these trucks, give us a call here at TLC Truck in Pompano Beach, Florida. We'll be happy to talk to you. My name is Steve, here at Team TLC, where nobody builds them better. And I'm having a good time.